Another factor that you can put forward for William's ability to deal with why William was able to deal with the rebellions is because of William's bold, decisive leadership. He personally dealt with rebellions in most cases. For example, he constantly marched north to York. He took the decision to harry the north and to decimate hundreds of square miles. Obviously, not the most godly of acts, should we say, but it certainly worked. He had a good mixture of forgiveness and ruthlessness. So, for example, he forgave Edwin and Morcar. He also forgave Waltheof up to a certain point. He forgave Edgar. Eventually, forgiving Edgar led to Edgar living out his life fairly peacefully after the harrying of the north and living peacefully at William's court. He had a dynamic, and you could even use the word Machiavellian politic, which meant that Machiavellian in his tactics. He keeps switching. He keeps people guessing. To start with, in his reign, his decisive leadership decides that he needs the English. The existing English administration he needs if he's going to be able to get the tax that he wants and if he's going to be successful in his rebellion. As time goes on, he gets rid slowly through rebellions and replacing people and people dying. He replaces the English with his Norman followers and thus cements his conquest of England. He recognised when he needed the English and he recognises when he no longer needed them. But at the same time, he dealt with rebellions. He dealt with the rebellions in the north. He went and invaded Scotland. He went and dealt with the Danes. Okay, he bought them off, but he still dealt with them, and he invaded successfully and defeated Hereward the Wake on the Earl of Ely. So at each moment, William showed bold, decisive leadership.